Hello, today we're going to be covering how to sublimate these tumbler charms by PYD Life. These tumbler charms were gifted to me, but I'm going to walk you through and tell you how exactly to sublimate them and the tips and the tricks that I find are best. These sublimation tumbler charms are double-sided, so there's two little small discs that come in the package, and you have to pull off the protective coating before you sublimate. I created the design for the charm disc about 1/10 of an inch bigger, so there was some room to play with. Sometimes the plastic coating can be a little hard to get off, so one tip is to use heat tape, place it on the edge of the disc, and then pull back and it will come off really easily. I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Cynthia. I'm a small business owner specializing in sublimation, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so by hitting that button down below and liking this post. Then you're going to want to tape down your sublimation design to the disc with heat tape. Since these discs are so small, I'm going to just be using my little mini press for these. I do fold up butcher paper and put it on both sides of the discs so there's no ink bleed at all. Today I'm using this X-Tool heat press that was also gifted to me. I'm using the heat directions that were on the design, so it's 356 degrees for 60 seconds. The sublimation charms do have their own adhesive already, but you do have to pull back the coating so you can expose the adhesive to stick the disc down to. There's also a link down below in the description of where you can buy these sublimation tumbler charms. Then you're going to want to take your sublimated disc and put it into the sublimation charm and repeat for both sides. And you just completed the sublimation tumbler charm for those tumblers that are all the rage right now. I like to make mine for every single holiday so I can have one that goes with the theme of the holiday that's going on now. If you have any questions about how to sublimate on these tumbler charms, please comment down below.